In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN risk-free for 30 days and get a full refund. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign up, test everything thoroughly, and request your money back within the guarantee window if it's not right for you. First, subscribe to a plan directly on the official NordVPN website. Choose any plan that fits your budget. The money-back guarantee applies to all of them. Create your account, enter your payment details, and confirm the purchase. You'll be charged up front, which is normal for this guarantee. Keep your order confirmation handy, as it can make support requests faster later. Signing up on the website is important because it keeps billing and refunds with NordVPN's own system, which is typically the simplest route for a full refund. Next, use the VPN risk-free for up to 30 days. Install the app on the devices you care about, your computer, phone, or tablet, then log in and connect to a server. This is your chance to see how well it fits your needs. Try streaming, downloading, browsing, and switching between different server locations. Pay attention to speeds at various times of day. Check that websites you use work smoothly, and explore features like the kill switch, split tunneling, and specialty servers if those matter to you. The goal is to test it like you would in everyday life so you can make a confident decision. To stay on track, note your sign-up date and set a reminder so you don't miss the 30-day window. If you decide it's not for you, request a refund within those 30 days. Contact NordVPN's 24/7 customer support through live chat or email from their website or inside the app. Clearly state that you're requesting a refund under the 30-day money-back guarantee. Be ready to confirm basic account details or your order number so the agent can locate your subscription quickly. They may ask a few questions about your experience to help improve their service, but you're not required to continue if you've decided to cancel. Once the refund is approved, it will be sent back to your original payment method. Processing times vary by bank or provider, so it can take a few business days to appear. That's all there is to it. Sign up on the website, use the service as much as you like for up to 30 days, and if it doesn't meet your needs, contact support within that period for a full refund. This approach lets you evaluate the VPN with zero long-term risk.